Hello friends, my name is Chinmay Gaikwad and today date is 4 July 2023. So today we are going to discuss on keywords. What are the keywords in Java? So let's see first definition of keywords. In Java, keywords are predefined reserved words that have specified meaning and functionality within the programming language. These keywords cannot be used as identifier such as variable name or class name because they are already part of the language syntax and have predefined purpose. So in Java, keywords can be classified into following category based on their functionality. So let's see first reverse keyword. So what is reverse keyword? So these keywords have fixed meaning and cannot be used as an identifier like variable name and class name, etc. So for example, public, class, interface, void, return, etc. So these are the reverse keyword that cannot be used as the identifier. For example, variable name and class name. Second is access modifier. So what is access modifier? These keywords determine the accessibility or visibility of classes, method and variable. For example, public, private, protected and default. These are the access modifier. Next is control flow keywords. So control flow keywords are used that control the flow of execution in Java program. For example, if, else, switch, case, default, for, while, do, break, continue, returns, try, catch, finally, etc. These are all the flow of control flow keywords that control the execution of Java program. Next is data types keywords. So these keywords represent the various data types in Java, such as int, double, char, boolean, byte, short, long, float, and etc. So this is the data types keywords. So next is class related keywords. So what are class related keywords? These keywords are used to define and manipulate classes and objects. For example, class interface, extends, implement, new, this, super, and etc. These are all class related keywords. Next is exception handling keywords. These keywords are used for handling exception in Java program. Like example, try, catch, finally, throw, etc. These are all exception handling keywords. Next is miscellaneous keywords. These keywords serve a specific purpose in Java. For example, final, static, abstract, uh, transmit, native, etc. So these are all are the keywords that classified into following category based on their functionality. Thank you, friends.